Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the crystal clear waters of romance to explore one of the most enchanting destinations on the planet, Seychelles. Imagine exchanging vows on a pristine beach with the backdrop of the Indian Ocean's turquoise waters and the gentle whisper of palm trees. Sounds like a dream. Well, we're here to tell you that it can be your reality. Join us as we guide you through the magical journey of getting married in Seychelles. From legal requirements to selecting the perfect spot for your ceremony, we've got all the tips and tricks to make your big day as breathtaking as the setting. Whether you're dreaming of an intimate elopement or a grand celebration, Seychelles offers a slice of paradise for every couple. So, let's set sail to this island paradise and start planning the wedding of your dreams. First off, let's talk about legalities. In Seychelles, you can say "I do" if you're 18 or above, which is the official age to get hitched. Love knows no bounds here, and as long as you're following the local laws, you're good to go. But remember, you need to let the world know about your big day at least 11 days in advance. That's when your marriage bans go public. Planning to jet set to this idyllic location for your nuptials, you'll need to dot your I's and cross your T's with some paperwork first. For international couples, fill out the registration form to make it official. Birth certificates are a must-have for both parties. If this isn't your first rodeo, bring along your divorce certificates. Passports are key. Make sure you have clear copies ready. If applicable, a death certificate for a previous spouse is required. Every document must have that apostille stamp or be authenticated, so there's no hitch in getting hitched. For local Seychelles couples, you'll also need your birth certificates. Don't forget your Seychelles national identity cards. Have your divorce certificates on hand if this is round 2 or more for you. A clear copy of your passport is necessary where it applies. And if you've been widowed, the death certificate of your previous spouse is needed. For those coming from abroad, bring your original birth certificate with the proper apostille. Your celibacy certificate should follow suit. Divorce and death certificates are required where applicable. A police character certificate is needed if you've basked in the Seychelles sun for 6 months or more. Proof of your stay in Seychelles is essential. And don't forget a passport-size photo for the memories. You both need to be present at the civil status office to register, but if you're opting for a more intimate affair at home, just let them know a week in advance. For mixed nationality couples, where one partner is Seychelles, gather all the documents mentioned for both foreigners and Seychelles. So, there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to have the wedding of your dreams in Seychelles. Get ready to start your forever in a place that's as beautiful as your love story. Stay tuned for more tips on making your special day as seamless as the sea that surrounds this lover's haven. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content on this channel.